Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the text color on Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. On your dashboard, click on Edit Site, then click on the Edit again. This will open the website editor. Inside this editor, you'll be able to modify text and design settings. To change the color of regular text, click on the text block that you want to edit. For example, this one right here. Then highlight the text that you want to change. Then click on Text Color, which is the button next to the italic button. There we go. From here, you can choose any color from your palette's theme. If you want a custom color, click on Custom. Then use the color slider to pick your own color. Click outside the text box to apply the change. This method works for most text blocks on your Squarespace site. If you want to change the text color, for example, you want to change the site title or the navigation menu, this is done very differently. So click on the header and click on Edit Design. Go to the Color tab. Currently, my color theme is using an adaptive mode right here. Basically, it automatically edits my palette colors. So let's go ahead and manually change this to solid. I'm going to change my header bar first. I want a pink one. There we go. Then once you're here, go to the Theme tab. So instead of changing text directly, you need to edit the theme settings. Click the pencil icon right here next to your current color theme to open the theme editor. Inside the color theme settings, you'll see different elements. So look for the section that controls header, site title, and navigation links right here, which is at the top or at the header section. Click on the text color option. There you go. Again, you can choose a color from your palette or you can use a custom one. Basically, you can change the site title color and the navigation link color separately. These changes will apply across all the pages that use the same color theme. Some text may not change color if it uses a different color theme. If this happens, you can manually select the text block again, like we did earlier. For example, this one. Highlight the text again. And click on Text Color. So this ensures the color change applies exactly where you want it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.